Down east side coming for I whistling and playing, and he come by Brackley's yet ere the day's dawn. Oh, and are you there, Brackley, and are you within? Their sharp swords are at your yets, will guard your blades spin. Oh, rise up, my baron, and turn back your kai, for the lads feed drum wadding are driving them by. Oh, and how can I rise up and turn them again? For fat I hate a man, I'm sure they hate him. Gin I had a husband, where as I hate name, he would not lay in his bed and see his kite-tain. Oh, then rise up, my Peggy, and bring me my gun, for though I'm unganged, I make not return. Fin Brackley was mounted and rode on his horse, a bonnier baron ne'er rode had a course. Though there come we in for I 33, there was none wee bonny Brackley, but his breather and he. We their dirks and their broadswords they did him saroon, and they slain bonny Brackley with money's a prey to wound. Fae the heat o' the deity, the mouth o' the spy, the garden shall mourn him and ban in for aye. Or come ye by here, and saw ye her lady arriving her here? Oh, and I come by Brackley's yet, and I was in there, and I saw her good lady, she was making good cheer. She was ranting and dancing and singing for joy, and she vowed that very night she'd feast in Varai. And she's laughed wi' him, danced wi' him, welcomed him bane. She was kind to the villain what'd slain her good man, but she kept him till morning, Saint Baden began, and she showed him the road that he would not be ta'en. Through Burrs and a Bine, she says, line in a two, are the hills o' Glentanner, you can skip in an hour. Oh, fie on you, lady, how could you gang by and open your yets to the foss in Varai? Then hops back her young son on his nurse's knee. Gin I lift to manhood, it's offended I'll be. Doon east side coming for I whistling and playing, and he come by Brackley's yet ere the day's dawn. For there's stool in the kitchen and mirth in the hall. The brave gallant Brackley is deed and all.
Thank you very much.